Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about and showing you how I mix greens. So I mix greens a couple different ways, and this is just going to be a real fast, but the most common way I mix green is to start with sap green, and that is a convenience color I keep in my palette. These are Daniel Smith paints, and then how I want it to go is, you know, if I want it brighter, more springy green, then I might add some yellow to it, and that'll give me a spring green. Let me put this sap green down first to show you the difference. So I, might start with the sap green, and then I would add yellow, and this is hansa yellow light, or lemon yellow would work. And to get a springier green, I would add a little bit of that. Or to get, and if I wanted it a little bit cooler, then I would add some blue to it. And I could take it back to sap or close to it. And if I wanted it a little more cooler and go more towards teal, I could add a little bit more blue. That's just a little bit darker, more like that sap. So I always do things a little bit at a time. Okay, there is a little bit cooler. Let's put a little bit more in there, and we can get a really nice teal. And then if I want it to be a little bit more towards the foresty side, I can add some alizarin crimson to it. And I can get a deep foresty green, grayish. If I wanted it a little bit more towards, you can just keep on adding, and that's more like an olive green. And to get a lighter version, you just take off some of the pigment. So you can get a whole range of greens just by, here is a little bit of ultramarine blue, and hansa yellow light, and then let's add some alizarin crimson. And there we go, back to that forest green. And then if you wanted to, you could, and that would be a nice shadow color. So you can just keep on changing your greens to any type of green you wanted, to fit your landscape or your greenery. I find it really easy to mix greens. So get your colors out, get your 3 primary colors out, and just start a mixing and get going. So thanks you guys for joining me, and give me a thumbs up on this video and hit the like and subscribe button, and see you next time. Bye.